Very good afternoon from London. Welcome to the RANsquawk afternoon briefing. Today, Monday, the 12th of December. Coming towards the European cash equity market close, then we have seen European markets trade under severe pressure all throughout the day. Even after the Wall Street Open, we've seen a slide in world stock prices being driven by the earlier comments by Moody's. Also, Fitch coming out of the wires, noting they have revised down their GDP growth forecasts for pretty much the whole entire world, and that's also added to the negative sentiment, with bunds and gilt futures outperforming today. The US 10-year still trading up into positive territory, but slightly capped following the around $116 billion worth of fixed income supply coming onto the market from the US this week. Looking at some individual stock stories, particular note for Netflix, there's been some unconfirmed market talk that both Amazon and Verizon have shown interest in Netflix. We've seen a surge in their share price, particularly towards the front end of the US session. Looking elsewhere, there was also some activity in Intel shares pre-market following they released that they're going to guide down for the fourth quarter. They've traded down following the open. Also in the European chipmaker sphere, there's been some selling pressure for Infineon and ST Microelectronics in the European chipmaker side following that announcement from Intel. Looking elsewhere, there was a spike higher in WTI and Brent crude futures following the announcement that Iran is looking to do some military manoeuvres in the Hormuz Strait, which accounts for around 13% of Gulf seaborne oil traffic. So we did see a brief spike higher before coming down in line with the general weakness in commodity complex, which has seen spot gold trade down around 3% in the afternoon session, and the dollar index up around 0.9% on the day. Looking forward then, very little in terms of data out of the US. All to look forward to is the $32 billion three-year note auction, as traders stay back ahead of the FOMC rate decision, which is tomorrow. We'll have an update for you after the closing bell on Wall Street, but apart from that, have yourselves a good rest of your trading day.